Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. In Miami, the weather isn't just a background element. It is a main character in the story of the city. To understand Miami is to understand its tropical monsoon climate, which keeps the city lush, vibrant, and occasionally very dramatic. As we look out over the Atlantic from South Beach, the sky tells a story of constant change. Miami is one of the few places where you can experience a blinding rainstorm and a golden sunset in the exact same hour. The defining feature of Miami weather is its humidity. Because we're surrounded by the warm waters of the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico, the air is constantly changing with moisture. This creates that famous tropical hothouse feels that keeps the palm trees swaying and the bougainvilleas blooming year-round. While the summers are hot and humid, with temperatures regularly hitting the 90s, the sea breeze acts as a natural air conditioner, making the beachfront the most coveted place to be during the afternoon heat. Then there are the legendary Miami rain showers. During the wet season, which runs from May to October, the city experiences nearly daily thunderstorms. These aren't the grey, gloomy rains of the north, these are sun showers, intense vertical downpours that can flood a street in minutes and vanish just as quickly. You'll often see people on Ocean Drive ducking under an Art Deco awning for 10 minutes, only to walk back out into the bright sunshine as if nothing happened. Of course, we have to mention hurricane season. From June to November, the city keeps a watchful eye on the horizon. While major storms are infrequent, the threat of them has shaped everything about Miami Beach, from the reinforced impact glass windows and high-rises to the way the dunes are managed to protect the city from storm surges. But for most of the year, the weather here is why the world flocks to see these shores. The winters are legendary with dry air and temperatures that rarely dip below 60 degrees. For Baz Travels, the weather is the engine that drives Miami lifestyle. It dictates the fashion, the architecture, and the outdoor-centric way of life. It's a climate that demands you live in the moment, reminding you that whether it's a sudden storm or a perfect golden hour, the view is always about to change.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.